Python polymorphism. As we know, C is procedure-oriented programming language. Function-oriented programming language. Each and every program is divided into functions. One function can communicate with the other function. Function moves freely from one to another. So for data security and for real-time environment, we work with object-oriented programming environment. So object-oriented programming languages like C++, Java and Python. If we use the term object-oriented programming environment, we use the terms classes, objects, inheritance, constructors, destructors, overloading, exception handling, polymorphism, and etc. So polymorphism, the poly means many, morphism means forms, many forms. The methods, the same name can be executed on many objects or classes, either many objects or classes. So we use the term static and dynamic in other languages. Here, the first one is your function polymorphism. So an example of Python function that can be used on different objects is len, length function. An inbuilt function, length. So len can be used to find the length of the string, and in strings it returns the number of characters. For tuples, it returns the number of items in the tuple. You can see the examples here. For dictionaries, it returns the number of key value pairs in the dictionary, as we know. Key value pair. So the function len is having many forms here. One to find the number of characters in string. I can use it in tuples. I can use it in dictionaries. So some functions can be used in many forms, different forms. So class polymorphism. We can have multiple classes with the same method name. You see a program here. We have three classes: car, boat, plane. All the classes having the method called move. Let's see the example in detail. So look at class car. So we have a constructor, that is init, and we have method move. The function body is the method body contains only one statement, print drive. So we have class boat. In this also we have the function move, the method move, and plane. So three classes with the same method. The name of the method is move. The same method is defined in three classes. So now look at the statements. Car1 is equal to car, Ford, Mustang, and boat 1 and plane 1 and etc. So we have three classes. Each and every class is having two parameters. The plane with brand and model, boat is with brand and model, car is with brand and model. So for x in car 1, boat 1, plane 1, x dot move. We can execute the same method for all the three classes using a simple for loop. For x in car 1, x dot move. The second one is boat 1, x dot move, and plane 1, x dot move. This is what you call class polymorphism. So what if I have the classes with child classes with the same name? Is it possible to use polymorphism there, as we know the inheritance topic. So in this example, we have a parent class called vehicle and car, boat, plane, child classes of vehicle. The child classes inherits the vehicle methods. We'll see the example in detail. So create a class called vehicle. So what do we have inside vehicle? We have init method, we have move. Now we have three child classes of vehicle. How can you identify the child and parent class? See that class CAR within brackets vehicle, inheritance, creating a new class from the existing class. The class car is created from the existing class vehicle. So vehicle is a parent class and car is child class. The base class and derived class. So what we have inside car is just pass, and we have boat. The class boat is created from vehicle, and in this I have move. Class plane is created from vehicle. In this also we have move. Even in class car also I can have move instead of PASs. Now, so create car object, boat object and plane object. For x in car 1, boat 1, plane 1, print x dot brand, print x dot model and x dot move. So all the classes inherits the properties of parent class. The child classes inherits the properties and methods from the parent class. But if you observe the car class which is empty, but still it inherits brand, model and move from vehicle. And boat and plane classes also inherits brand, model and move from the vehicle. All the child classes inherits everything from the base class, everything from the parent class. But they both override the move method. So why? Because in polymorphism we can execute the same method for all classes. See the output. So we got brand and model of car, Ford and Mustang, and move. For boat 1 and plane 1, so we got brand and model, and move. That is, so what do we have in move? Sale. And for plane 1, we have brand and model, Boeing 747, and the print fly.